Welcome to my channel. My channel's name is Style My Way Usha. So in this channel I share with you some styling tips, fashion videos and hauls, and also some DIYs related to fashion, and I also share videos related to art. So if you like all these things, please subscribe to my channel. Today is a video of my Amazon haul, which has mostly art supplies, and one more thing is from Nykaa. I got some of the things, some of the skincare products actually, no cosmetics this time. So I liked all of them, so I wanted to share those with you. And one more thing is, like, in our clubhouse we had, in our society, in the clubhouse we had a pantaloons pop-up shop, which was very nice. First I'm going to share with you what I got from pantaloons, because it's very small haul, so I want to get finished with it. First thing is the dress which I got for my daughter for her birthday, and it is like this. It has this cute white polka dots, and it has this 3-tier frills. It's very nice, and the price of this one was 8.99. And then I got these shorts which I wear at home, and the price of this one is 3.99. These are very nice and comfortable cotton shorts, and with those shorts I got this t-shirt which says Nap Queen, which is this beautiful pretty green color, which matches with this like a minty green color. This is a brighter one, and this is a little bit of a dull color, but it's nice, and it is a very like a boxy fit kind of t-shirt, which I really loved. And then I got two t-shirts for my daughter, which were like 199 rupees. One was this one, uh, Mermaid in the USA written on it, and it is a full sleeve t-shirt which is white in color. It's a cotton t-shirt which is really nice. My daughter usually wears cotton only because she prefers comfortable clothing. And then I got this jeans which is this light color, and I really liked it because I don't have a light color jeans, and the fitting is also very nice for me. I got it in the size of 30, which is a mid-rise jeans. So I really love it. This is how it is. And then I got one kurta, which is like a daily wear casual kurta. It is white in color with this, it is actually off-white in color, not white. So off-white in color with this stripes on it, and then this pretty red and orange kind of floral print, which is really beautiful. And it has a collar here, like a bun gala type, and it is like this. It's very pretty and casual, and I think the price of this one was 300 or 350, something like that. I've taken off the tag because I wore it. And this is the pants which I got with the kurta, and it can go with many of my kurtas. And I don't know the price. I think it was 8.99 or something. It is pure cotton, 100% cotton, and it has this checks weaving on it. I really love this one. It was very comfortable, and the fitting is also very nice. Now we'll see what all I got from Nykaa. So first thing which I got is one of my favorite things which I got from Nykaa. It is these earrings which I really love. These are this pearl kind of earrings with a golden design in the center. It has a floral design and some crystals inside, and it's a very lovely earrings for wearing with traditional saris and lehengas and all. And it's a little bit heavy, and I think your ears will start paining if you use it for a longer period of time. You can wear it only for parties or functions where you go only for one or like 1 hour is very less. Actually 2-3 hours is fine, I guess. Other than that, I got this plum toner, which is a green tea alcohol free toner. This is for acne prone skin, and also actually this has worked very well for my son who has a really bad acne problem. So I think it's very nice for young teenage boys and girls if they want to use it. And it has worked for me too, because I also had an acne problem and now it has reduced. I don't know what has worked for me, but I have bought all these 3 products and I have used them. So I'm going to share all the 3 products with you. One is the plum toner which I had shown you, and one is this crystal micro essence from L'Oreal Revitalift. I have started using it since 20 days. I have used only this much, as you can see. I use it only once in a day, but they have recommended I think twice in a day. But it has really worked for me. My skin has softened and it has brightened a little bit. And the last and not the least, I got this jade roller, which I had heard about a lot, like to use jade roller for massaging like this. I had seen these how to use this on YouTube videos. I am not a professional and I don't know really well how to use it, so I can't share with you how I use it. I've just copied what they do on the videos. For this I'm using Nyka's argan oil. Before using the roller, you need to put some kind of oil or something on your face. As my skin gets acne, this argan oil has suited me very well. So if you have acne issues, you can use argan oil, which is very nice. So this is what it is, and I don't remember the prices, so you can check the description box. So that's all from Nyka. So now I'm going to show you what I got from Amazon. I got a lot of things from Amazon because there was lockdown for so many days. I had to get some creative stuff for my kids so that they are not always watching YouTube videos or playing some game on the screen. So I got a lot of things. So the first thing which I got is this sketchbook, which is a really nice one, Artist Pro series. I don't know which company is it. I think the company is only Artist Pro series. This book is really nice. It has like 100 sheets of A4 size papers, as you can see, and you can use any medium on them. Like you can use watercolors, you can do pencil shading, you can do anything, and it is very nice. The sheets are also of very good quality. Even if you erase them for like a lot of times over it, I am very bad at sketching. When I sketch, I do press the pencil a lot. I don't know why. I had this bad habit of doing it, and I need to erase it a lot. So but it still worked for me. I can show you, like I made this one, which is like a pencil shading, and it came out really well. I had to use a eraser a lot. Some of the sketchbooks, what happens is the paper gets torn once you use eraser a lot of times on the same place. But with this one, it is really nice, and it's not at all tearing off. The quality is very nice. Then I did a watercolor too, and it worked very well with watercolor. And one more thing which I did is pencil shading. This one also worked very well. So I want to use different mediums. I haven't tried other mediums, but I'm going to try them, and I think this is going to be really nice. If you are interested in doing artwork, this is a really nice sketchbook for you. You can also use pastels and pencil shading, pencil colors, acrylics, everything on this one. And then I got this one. This is a bigger sketchbook. It It is like I think A3 size papered sketchbook. It has 100 sheets and the sheet is very good. Even in this the quality of the sheet is very nice, but I don't think you can use other mediums on this. Maybe you can use like acrylics, but for water I don't think this will work. But for sketching, drawing and doing all the fashion sketching and stuff, this is very nice. Even for this I have used a eraser a lot, but it didn't tear off. Like I made this portrait sketch and it really worked very well. I erased it a lot but it didn't tear, so it is a good quality one. And then I got this canvas, this sized. I got 4 of these in a set. I don't remember the price, but this is the size of it, square shaped, and the canvas is very nice. It's like this. It's from the company Dunnock. It's from Dunnock company. And the canvas is quite good, and it's good for kids. This size is good for kids. My daughter did this with acrylics. I got some acrylic set also for her from Amazon, which I'm going to share with you next. So this is how the canvas is. I got 4 of these pieces in one kit. And then I got this stitching kit for her, anchor stitch kit, which is really nice. I got this for her birthday. It's like this, and actually she has taken it out and put it in some ziploc. When you get something like this, because it has a lot of small items, so it's better to have some big ziploc bags and put all the stuff in this ziploc bag. Even the instructions sheet she has kept, and all the threads and needle and everything in this. Actually she even keeps a scissor in that, so that she can use it whenever she wants. She has done a little bit of it, so this is how it looks. It's very pretty unicorn, and my daughter loves unicorn, so she selected this for herself. So I love that one. Anchor stitch kit is very nice and a good pastime for the kids, so that they won't go near the screen all the time and spend all day on the screen. And next is the resin kit which I had got. Actually I used up the resin. This is very expensive, and I'll say that if you are not interested and if you are not into art and craft stuff, please don't purchase it, because it's too expensive. And I tried to make the coasters which you get nowadays, resin coasters. They didn't turn out very well, because I was doing it for the first time. Maybe the next time I film a video and I'll post it, because resin itself, like it was like 300 grams of resin, and I made coaster, and only 4 coasters were made out of it. And I don't think it is quite reasonable, because that was like 700 rupees, and you get the coasters itself for like 1000 rupees, I guess. So I think if you are not into crafts, you better go and buy the coasters itself. The first thing which comes with it is, like, I bought the resin, and with that you need to get some dyes. So I got these dyes which are like I think 6 colors. I got this oh my god, I used them, so you can see the color is coming on my hands. So this is how it is. Like, this is a dark blue color. I got the ocean theme one, so they sent all the ocean colors, like the sea green color, this blue color, and the lighter cobalt blue color. And then they sent one white, and then one of them is like this sandy beachy sand color. It's called sandstone. So this kit was also like 1000 rupees. All the pigments were 1000 rupees. Then, like, this is 1000 and the resin is 699. It is like 1700 for this stuff itself, and then I had to get a mold which was like 500 rupees, so it was almost more than 2000 rupees. So I don't think you should buy this. If you want to make like a lot of posters or sell them or give them, then this is fine, but otherwise it is a waste, I guess. So this is how the mold is. This mold was very good and perfect, but the only problem was that I wasn't very good at it because I was doing it for the first time. So that's all for today. Then from Amazon I got these 3 books. One is this Agatha Christie's Five Little Pigs, which is a really nice book. I really love Agatha Christie. She's one of my favorite authors. I have read almost all her novels, I guess. I don't know how I missed this one. So my husband had got it for me and I really loved this one. It's really nice. It's very interesting and you can't guess who the killer is. It's about a murder mystery. And then I love Sophie Kinsella. If you watch Shopaholics movies or you have read it, she's the author of those Shopaholic series, and I really love to read her books because they are like a rom-com and all. It's romantic comedy kind of. They have lots of comedy sequences and I really love it. And then one more thing, this is new one which I'm going to read, Can You Keep a Secret. I don't know how good it is, but it has good reviews, so I'm going to read this one. So I have discovered one more author recently, and if you love rom-coms you should read these books too. She's quite good, Lindsay Kelk. I've started reading this yesterday only, and it's very interesting. I really love this book. This is very nice and funny. I love this one. So if you like to read, you can check it out. So the thing which I wanted to show you is this art kit. It is an acrylic colored art kit. It is from Camel Artist Acrylic Colors. It has 12 shades and it includes gel and retarder mediums. If you are trying a hobby or something during this lockdown and quarantine period, then this is very good for you because it has very small quantity of things and it is quite reasonable. If you love it, later you can buy a bigger one. So then this is the canvas which she is painting recently. She loves to paint a lot, and that is why I got this stand for her, which I'm going to show you. So this is how it is. It is adjustable, so if the canvas is big or something, then you can use it and then you can push it down. If it is small, you are using a sketchbook, then you can put it like that. And it's like a box. So you can see she has arranged all her stuff here. And then you can just close it off like this. So just close it off and you can carry it. It's very compact and nice. It's good for traveling purpose too. So that's all for today, guys. If you like my haul, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like, and please share it with your friends, and bye for now.